What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. This your boy Tate be Choppin, back with another video. But before we get into this video, man, if you're new to the channel, make sure to like this video, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, you know what I'm saying? But let's go ahead and get into this video. Let's check it out, man. I just got a package in from Stylecraft. Oh, let's turn it this way. From Stylecraft and Gamma. I know what it is, but I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. That way y'all can see what's in the box. Let's go. All right, so let's go ahead and cut this tape off real quick. All right, let's see. All right, so we got, it's a secret. We got a box inside of the box. So let's go ahead and open up this box now. That way we can see what's in here. We're just gonna rip this. We're going savage mode right now. All right, check that out the way. All right, Stylecraft, Gamma, let's get it. Y'all ready for this? Let's go. Check that out. We got the new Stylecraft Flex shaver in. Let's go ahead and move this to the side. Let's check out the actual shaver, as y'all can see. Check that out. Let's get this out of here so we can go ahead and start looking at what comes with the shaver. Professional Super Torque shaver with digital LCD display, protective cap. We got the shaver, cleaning brush, and a power cord. So the Super Torque motor has 2 speeds on it. We can do 6,000 RPMs. It's got 3 speeds on it. We can do 6,000 RPMs, 7,500 RPMs, or 9,000 RPMs. That's okay. I mean, me personally, I don't know why I would turn the RPMs down, like the speed, but you know, to each his own. We got a digital LCD screen that displays the battery life and RPMs. There's like a locking effect on it to where you can lock it. That way it doesn't turn on or off. Curved ergonomic shape with recessed thumb rest provides the most comfortable operation. It's got premium gold titanium foils, USB-C rechargeable. What else we got? Lithium-ion battery provides up to 2 hours of cordless run times. Once again, Stylecraft Flex. Y'all check that out. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. So check it out one more time. Y'all can actually see the box a little better without the plastic wrap around it. We got a 1-year warranty. Professional Super Torque shaver with digital LCD display. Once again, this is the Stylecraft Flex shaver. Let's go ahead and open up the box. All right, we got the user manual that we ain't gonna check out. Let's just go ahead and jump straight into the shaver. Check it out. So the shaver looks a little small. Bro, what are you doing?
Oh, sorry.
All right, so like I was saying, we get the Stylecraft Flex shaver. Let's go ahead and take it out of the packaging. Oh, that's the cap in there. All right. So as y'all can see, it comes with the cap on it. It's like a glossier cap than the body. I feel that they kind of should have made it the same, but the shaver looks pretty cool. You know what I'm saying? Let's take off the cap. That way we can see the foils. So as you can see, it does have this curved shape to it. I'm not sure if that's gonna be a good thing or bad thing. You know, I like to hold them like this when I'm shaving, so I'm gonna have to like do this thing. Or I guess I could just turn it the opposite way, right, and use it. But nonetheless, we'll see how we actually gonna use this when we're using it. We have the power switch right here, and I ain't gonna lie, let me turn this thing on. Uh-oh, what'd I do? Oh, I gotta hold it for 2 seconds. Oh, okay. So we got it on. I don't know if I can hear it on the mic. So right now it's at 9,000 RPMs. If we press this button on this side, it's gonna slow it down. Now we're at 7,500 RPMs, and you can press it one more time and slow it down to 6,000 RPMs. However, me personally, I'm gonna leave it at 9,000 RPMs. I don't really know why anyone would wanna use this on a lower setting. It's a shaver, you wanna knock down that bolt quick, so I think leaving it on the max is probably the best thing to do. And as y'all can see, we do have the LCD charge screen. We at 99% right now, so we good. As y'all can see, we got the thumb groove right here. You can put your thumb right here. Even though thinking about shaving, you'd have to hold it at this angle because of the way it's curved. I mean, I guess you could turn it this way to use it, but it does have that curved neck or head or whatever you want to call it. It's curved ergonomic. It's supposed to be for ergonomics, but I don't know if that's going to be a good thing or a bad thing when it comes to actually shaving with this. We do have some ridges back here to help you keep your grip when using this. USB-C charging port down here. And let's go ahead and take this off. As you can see, we got the cutters down here. All right, so once again, here is the Stylecraft Flex shaver. Let's go ahead and see what else comes in this box. All right, so we also got the charging plug right here. We do get the USB to USB-C adapter or plug, and then we also get a little brush that, you know, we ain't even really gonna look at. And then you open this thing up and there's nothing underneath. But once again, Stylecraft Flex shaver. We're gonna put this thing to work, man. We're gonna see if it's worth it or not. I gotta put this, there we go. We're gonna see if this thing is worth it or not. You know, we're gonna put this thing to use. Obviously, out of the box, it's probably gonna work great. It's brand new. It's probably gonna be shaving down really good. So hopefully this thing stays sharp long term. You know, me personally, I like my shavers to work for a good amount of time, but we're gonna put this thing to use, and I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about it. Let's get it. All right, guys, so as y'all seen in the video, your boy was putting to use the Flex shaver. Let's check that out one more time. You know what I'm saying? It looks nice. Like, just looking at the shaver, check it out, man. It's a nice looking shaver. Let's go ahead and take this cap off. This thing looks nice. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all one more time. Sounds like your traditional style shavers. Once again, as y'all see on the LED screen, I don't know if y'all can see it due to the light, but we got, I'm ready for it to load back up. We got 62% power left. Your boy's been using it for about 2 days, and that's running at 9,000 RPMs. Now, once again, you can adjust the speed on it. So if I wanted to, I could just bring it down some, you know, all the way down. Or we could put it in the middle right there, or all the way up the way your boy's been running it. Now, me personally, I don't know why you would want to run a shaver anything under what it's the fastest speed. You know what I'm saying? Me personally, I only use it on the fastest speed. I didn't even try to use it at 7,500 RPMs or at 6,000 RPMs because I want the strongest, you know, the strongest setting, the fastest setting, the one that has the most torque. That's what I'm trying to use when I'm using this shaver. You know what I'm saying? I want it to knock down that hair easily. I want it to just take off that hair quick and fast. That way I can move on to my actual fade work and get my clients out of the chair. But before we get into that, once again, let's look at the ergonomics of it. Like I said earlier, it looks nice. However, when it comes to using it, you know, this curve thing makes it kind of weird when you're shaving. So when I was cutting with it, if I try holding it like this, I had to angle my hand upward like this. I don't know if y'all can see the shaver, but I had to angle my hand upward like this to keep it flat. So I found for me, it was easier to use it this way, you know what I'm saying, and just shave up with it, because doing it this way kind of felt like it was just uncomfortable, right? And that's for me, you know what I'm saying? So I had to turn it this way on most of the times I was using it that way. It can actually feel a little more comfortable in the hand. But other than that, man, that was like one of the biggest issues that I think that this shaver is even though I feel what they were trying to do, you know what I'm saying, I understand, but I don't think that I think they could have just left it regular, like just a regular squared head, you know what I'm saying? And that would have been better in my opinion. Now, I do like the LCD display screen. I like that it tells you how much battery life you got, what the RPMs are. You know, I like that. I think that's pretty dope. I'm glad that they're actually putting that into the units now, because if you know, a bunch of the no-name brand clippers, or the cheap, I don't want to say no-name brand, but the cheaper brand clippers, a lot of times they have that LCD screen on their clippers, trimmers, and shavers. So I think it's pretty dope that some of the bigger companies are now putting that on their tools also. That way you can see how much runtime you actually have. Now, when it came to performance of this, I'm having mixed feelings about it, you know what I'm saying? And I think it works good, but I don't think it's their best shaver. Me personally, I think the Rebel shaver is better than this shaver. And once again, this is just my opinion. You know, if y'all feel any other way, you know, y'all can let me know down in the comments. But this is just my opinions. You know, I think the Rebel shaver is better than this shaver. However, this shaver is better than their original shaver. I think it's called the Prodigy, not 100% sure. But this shaver is better than their first shaver. But I don't think it's as good as the Rebel. And once again, that's just my opinion. However, this shaver does come with the little strip in the middle, as y'all can see. I don't know if it's focusing. There you go. The little strip in the middle, as y'all can see, to help you cut down longer hair if if you decide to go over the side with like just a clipper close, or if your trimmers aren't zero gapped, if they leave the hair kind of long. This will help with that, but I don't know if that's necessarily needed. Most double foil shavers work good without the middle piece. So once again, I get what they're trying to do, but I don't think it makes that huge of a difference. But all in all, man, I would say it's a solid tool. Once again, not my favorite shaver. I think the Rebel from Stylecraft and Gamma is better. But all in all, great tool. I'm not sure what the price is, but I will make sure to put the price on the screen for y'all. I believe they're having pre-orders now on their website, stylecraftus.com. So if you want to go to their website and purchase this shaver, go to their website, stylecraftus.com. Also, you can use my discount code TAINT10. That way you can save yourself a little bit of money when purchasing this. Also, you may want to check at fwbarbersupply.com. I believe they may have this shaver up. I don't know if they have it yet in stock or if they're even getting it. But if you want to check their website out to see what they got, you can go to their website and use my discount code TAINT10 on their website also. But all in all, man, once again, pretty solid tool. Gets the job done, gets the hair down. It goes through the hair good. I just feel that there's other shavers that are a little better. And once again, that's just my opinion. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.